It's that time of the year, it's the banning season, and I just got banned on my TikTok shop. However, I did not get banned for dropshipping. I've been banned on a bunch of different marketplaces before. I've been banned on Facebook Marketplace. I never been banned on eBay, but I've been restricted on eBay. I had been flagged on eBay. I had issues with my TikTok shop previously. I have a video where I talk about my TikTok basically giving me a big finger right here telling me like, hey buddy, watch your health account because it's not looking so good. You gotta be careful. And they suspended my they didn't suspend it, but they reduced my views by like 90%. But I was able to get out of this situation and kind of get my account on track, and actually it was pretty good. It was pretty successful, but now I'm completely banned. Okay. So I want to talk about this. I want to tell you what happened to me, so maybe it's going to be a lesson for you if you're planning on selling on TikTok shops. Maybe if you're planning on dropshipping. I was not banned for dropshipping. I don't believe I was banned for dropshipping. Actually, know what I was banned for? I was banned because I reached 50 violation points, which is the limit that you can get in violation points on TikTok shop. So you see, TikTok has this thing where they violate your account based on the amount of violation points. So for example, and the limit is 50, and I believe they every 6 months they reset that limit. But if you reach the limit within the 6 months, your account is screwed and it's gonna get shut down. And that's what happened to me. Okay, and I've been getting violation points in the past before. Usually it was for something minor, such as the incorrect category. So TikTok algorithms, I guess, didn't catch the category the first time or put it in the wrong category initially, and I got hurt by that. And they usually give you like 4 points for that. Those are easy to appeal. Usually when you appeal the same day or even the next one, they remove those from your account. Okay, as you can see, I got those in the past and I was able to successfully appeal. So when it says cancel, that means that those points were reduced from my account and this violation was removed. But recently I got a lot of violations for copycat products, okay? And what the copycat violation is that your listing look like a popular brand and you don't have authorization to sell that brand, okay? And I was dropshipping. I had over thousands of listings at one point. And a lot of these listings were listed by my virtual assistant. And basically I would tell her like what type of categories I want her to look up for eBay. eBay is my supplier. So I would tell her, look up these products, like for example, bags, and then list them on TikTok. And she would just literally do what I told her. So it's not her fault. I should probably pay more attention than I thought, okay? But the copycat thing, honestly, this is something new for me because I sold on Facebook Marketplace and eBay and I never got in trouble for something like that. But TikTok is just very strict. So here's that specific example, okay? I got a copycat violation for 12 points, which is a lot. Honestly, the violation was justified. Like if you look at this bag right here, it clearly looks like a Gucci bag. It has like a Gucci bag pattern, okay? And look, I'm not a big like luxury specialist. I never really care about this type of stuff. So I don't really know what the Gucci bag looks like or Louis Vuitton or something like that. But then I researched it and it does looks like a Louis Vuitton or a Gucci bag, and this guy shouldn't be selling it on eBay. I shouldn't be selling it on TikTok. And that's why I got the violation. And I tried to appeal and blame on my supplier and things of the nature, but the violation was declined. I couldn't fix it. Then I got another one for 20 points as well. And I also tried to appeal this one, but I couldn't. 20 points, it's a lot. And I have one more chance to appeal, but I'm not even gonna try. This account is gone for me and I'm not gonna even try to fight for it. And then I got the shop compliance high risk seller group, and this is basically one that got my account permanently suspended. I tried to appeal this one too. It didn't work out. I'm not gonna do it again. I'm done with this store. I'm not gonna try to work on it, but I'm not done with TikTok shops, okay? And I also got a bunch of other points from the previous violations. So it all added up and I reached the limit of 50 points and my account got shut down. I also got the possible counterfeit product violation. I think that's because I have a lot of copycat products and they think they have the stolen goods, which it's not true. I never stole anything. I'm just a dropshipper and I listed wrong products. That's what it is. I shouldn't be listing those products. If TikTok wanted to shut me down for dropshipping, they would do it a long time ago. I've been actually approached by people that work for TikTok and they want to collaborate with me. I even met with one of the representatives over the Zoom one time. So they know my YouTube channel, they know what I'm doing, and if they really wanted to shut me down, they would done it a long time ago. I got hit with violation points because my products look like the copycat products, and that's reality. And TikTok was trying to keep their standards high, which is understandable. They want to keep their platform in good standards and they don't want to have like fake, Gucci bags on it. And honestly, it's all my fault. I take the blame. I'm not even mad, So what I'm going to plan in the future, I will try to open another TikTok shop account under a different entity. I'm going to have an LLC open with a new bank account, new tax info, everything brand new, fresh. And I'll try to start running my business from there. However, when I'm going to do that, this is something that I'm going to do differently this time, okay? When I'm going to open this new TikTok shop account, I'm going to let it sit for a month. I'm not going to add a product, nothing. I'm not going to do anything. I would just let it sit, let it season, let it age a little bit. You know, TikTok shops accounts need to be like wine. The older they are, they better, okay? And the reason being why I'm gonna do this is because this is something that I done with like eBay, for example. When I dropship on eBay to increase my limits, I just let the eBay account sit and don't do anything, okay? Because that ages your account, that vets it, and the older your account is, the algorithms don't really pay attention as much to you, and they just think, oh, that's the guy that's been there for a month. Yeah, he's cool. But if you start doing stuff right away, especially with like dropshipping where you can add a lot of products really fast, it can look suspicious and you might end up having your account closed down. Why I'm telling you this? Because I opened a second TikTok account and it got suspended right away. Why? I think I know why. Because I had too many listings, okay? One day I added over like 100 listings and it was under the fresh email. It was a fresh Gmail account, fresh bank account. There's no like information, nothing was seasoned, okay? So I think it would just look suspicious. They thought like, hey, how's this guy having 100 products if he just, open everything brand new account, brand new identity, like all of that. I think that looks suspicious and they shut me down, okay? So when I open a new one, I'm just gonna let it sit, let it age, let it, do its own thing. So I'm not give up with TikTok shop dropshipping. Don't give up on it. Just today, I talked to a bunch of guys on our Discord and they doing amazing. There's this one guy, his name is Moises. He's a top G. He's a real G in the TikTok dropshipping world. He's making a lot of money and he's probably been doing this for like the longest time. From all the people I know, he was like one of the first people doing it. He's even using Amazon as a supplier, which is crazy to me. But he's doing just fine and he's always finding a way to fight these violation points. He's always in good connection with TikTok. I don't think dropshipping is a problem. International dropshipping is a problem, which is dropshipping from China. But if you do it locally in your country, I think it's fine. And yeah, I'm gonna be back on TikTok dropshipping in 2024 because there's more stuff I want to try out. I want to try live streaming. I want to try using AI to help me make content. I was even thinking of like doing the TikTok fulfillment stuff. So you can actually use TikTok warehouses to ship products for you. It's kind of like dropshipping because you don't really have the inventory on your hand, but you actually do buy inventory in bulk prior to selling it. So I'm not giving up on TikTok shops. I'm gonna be back on it. I will make content because I know a lot of you guys are interested in this topic, but I'm gonna take a break for the rest of December and then come back in 2024. By the way, we're gonna do a holiday giveaway for our Discord members. So we're gonna do a holiday party. We're gonna give away money. We're gonna give away some t-shirts and things of the nature. So if you wanna join that holiday giveaway and a party and weekly meetings in our community, check out the link down below for my YouTube membership or go to dropshippingguild.com and purchase one of the courses so you'll get access to our Discord. But that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't give up on TikTok shop dropshipping. It's a really cool way of making money so far. But I will see you next time. Take care, my friend.